On today's video, we're going to be doing some smoked pizza on our pit boss. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so here you have it. So we have two take and bake pizzas, and I know we have a lot of new people on the channel and a lot of things we're going to do so we can show those new people some of these cooks. If you haven't tried smoking a take and bake pizza, you're missing out. Now having these in the smoker gives it a nice wood flavor pizza. I don't know if you guys been to those pizza joints that have that, you know, wood flavor on that pizza, and you're like, man, this is good. Now if you have a smoker, then you can have that exact same taste if you do it on your smoker. So here we have the ultimate pepperoni, and on this side we have Canadian bacon and sausage. This is me and my wife's favorite, and this is what the kids like. Now, just curiosity, let me know down what kind of pizzas do you guys like. What's your guys' favorite? Like I said, mine, if I had a, I do this because my wife likes, me and my wife like this. Favorite pizza is Hawaiian. Love Hawaiian. And I know some people say that pineapple does not belong in pizza, but for me, it does. So in the comment section, let me know what you guys, what's your favorite pizzas. All right, so how are we gonna cook this? We're gonna put our pit boss at 350 degrees. So the plan is we're gonna put them with this little cardboard thing that got in the bottom. We're gonna take the plastic wrapper off, but we're gonna put them in with the cardboard in the back, put them in there. Wait about 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, you can slide the cardboard out and put the pizza right on the grates. That way, you maximize that flavor going into the dough also. So that being said, let's go ahead and fire up our pit boss. All right, our grill is up to temp, 350 degrees. Let's put in our pizza. All right, pizza numero uno and pizza numero dos. Look at that. 2 large pizzas fit perfectly. I actually put more down here. I put 4 large pizzas down there, right over there like that. All right, guys, we'll be back when we'll be back in 5 minutes to take this cardboard out. We'll be back. All right, it's been 5 minutes, and now what we're gonna do is see if we can take out this cardboard. So just turn it around. It looks like we can. And just like that. We're gonna do the same on this one. Go. So we'll be back in 10 minutes to check on it. All right, it's been 10 minutes, and look how our pizza is looking. We'll check the bottom. Bottom looks good, but they're almost done. We're gonna go ahead and turn them around. Like that, and we'll give it another 5 minutes. All right, another 5 minutes have passed, and they look ready. You can tell. Let's take them out. So we're going to use these cardboards again for transport. Let's check this out. We'll be back. All right, so here we have it, and before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, we have our pizza cutter here. Now, a few tips. Always keep an eye on them when you're first time doing it. If it's your first time doing it, keep an eye on them more often until you get it the first time and you know exactly how long they're gonna take. This took 20 minutes, but on some grills it might take a little bit longer or a little bit less, depending how hot they run. Also, I took the cardboard out at 5 minutes. I'll probably wait 8 minutes to do that. That way it slides a lot easier than I did when I tried to do mine, but it still came out. So let's go ahead and give it a cut. You guys hear that? All that crunching going on? See the back? That's how the back looks. Looks good. Oop. Let's go ahead and give it a try. That is some really good pizza. Way better than just inside in your oven. No, this is a whole new level. Came out really good. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe. Like I said before, let me know in the comments what's your favorite pizza. What do you guys like? And I'll see you guys next time.